In this video, I answer a question from Nag, who asks, can we transfer property or property business from an LLP to a limited company without selling it? And what are the tax consequences, if any? This is a question from Nag, who asks, can we move property into a limited company from an LLP without selling it? So I assume, Nag, what you mean is transfer the properties from an LLP straight into a limited company in exchange for shares. So you've got two obvious options. One is, as you've said, which you're not interested in, is to sell the properties to a limited company, and I assume it's going to be the same parties, i.e. the people who are partners or members in the LLP are going to be shareholders in the limited company, in which case they're connected parties, so it's a sale at market value. So if you sell the properties, there's capital gains tax consequences for the members, and then there's stamp duty, land tax consequences also, which need to be fully considered. So that's one option, and there are ways to mitigate SDLT in that particular scenario. Or the other option, which is the question that you've asked, is without selling them. So you're going to transfer them, so you're going to basically incorporate your property business. And if you do that and your property business is classed as a business, then you can use section 162 incorporation relief and move the properties into your limited company without paying any capital gains tax. If the properties were purchased by the LLP and have been over a number of years, and you've got a property business, then you can transfer the properties without paying stamp duty, land tax. So in that case, no SDLT, no capital gains tax, and what the company will do is give you shares in exchange for your equity, basically, in the properties. So you don't get any cash back, you get shares in exchange for transferring your business into a limited company, and then you can refinance, or you refinance as you're doing the transfer. That's usually the best way to do it. So I hope that answers your question, Nag. Very simply, yes, you can transfer property into, or a property business into a limited company, and no SDLT, no capital gains tax, as long as you have a business and the partnership has been running for a number of years, and it paid SDLT when you actually bought those properties, if there was an SDLT payable at the time.